I'm Neritan Sulaimani. I'm a product manager in Matest. Matest company is an Italian company which is a manufacturer of laboratory testing equipments for the construction industry. It is the second consecutive year we participate in this event together with our distributor, Bolashak Trade Group. It is a big event which brings together speakers, participants and road authorities. This event helps us to collaborate with big road authorities like Dorogi. We thank the organizer that gives us the opportunity to share a research study performed with our smart tracker device. We are willing to participate also in the future. This event for us is a very important event. It gives us the opportunity, the possibility to see, to check the real needs, the real problems that might have related to Kazakhstan area.